In this video, we'll practice using the periodic table to find information about each element. So let's just review the structure of the periodic table. This is the information about oxygen. And we know that the top number, number 8, that is atomic number. Atomic number. And underneath we have a letter O. That is symbol of the atom, atomic symbol. And okay, the next one is oxygen. That is the name of the atom. Atom's name. And the last entry is the atomic mass. So 15.999, that is atomic mass. Atomic mass is usually a decimal. It's not a whole number because that is the average of all the isotopes. And we're going to talk about the isotopes in the next video. And isotopes has different number of neutrons. So the atomic mass is different. And then they averaged out all these isotopes and they found the atomic mass. That is why the atomic mass is not a whole number, but this is a decimal. Okay, and then we understand that atomic number equals the number of proton, and the proton's number is same as the number of electrons. So the atomic number equals to the number of protons and number of electrons. Then atomic mass equals the number of protons plus neutrons. Atomic mass is the sum of the number of protons and number of neutrons. Okay. Then let's use the periodic table to answer the next questions. So we have atomic number 8 and the symbol is the O. And let me use the periodic table to find what it is. Okay, so it was number 8. Then I know the periodic table is organized by the number of protons. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. So 8 is oxygen and the name of the atom is oxygen. So let me type that in. It's not this one. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so this is oxygen. Oxygen. And atomic number is given here on this table already. And atomic number is 8. Atomic mass is 15.999, but let's use a whole number. Let's round it up to 16 so that we can do calculation to find neutrons. So we're going to round up the atomic mass to the whole number, which is 16. And then number of protons, that is same as the atomic number. So number of protons is 8. Number of neutrons, we got to do some math. We have to subtract atomic mass by its atomic number. So that is 16 minus 8. That is 8. So we have 8 neutrons. Okay, and the number of electrons is same as the number of protons. So the answer will be 8. The same number as number of proton. So this is 8. Okay, now let's move on to the next element, which is zinc. Okay, I cannot remember the symbol of zinc, so I have to refer to the periodic table. And It is really useful to know the atomic number because the periodic table is organized by the numbers, by the atomic numbers. So let me go to the periodic table, and the number was 30. Here we go. Zinc. Zinc, the symbol is Zn. So let me go to my worksheet and let me fill this out with the atomic symbol. That is Zn. Okay, so that is atomic symbol. Okay, and atomic number is written here. So I just copy the number down. Atomic number is 30. And atomic mass is 65.39. And when you round the number to a whole number, then you have to look at the number after the decimal point. If the number after the decimal point is 5 or greater, then you're going to round it up. But if it's less than 5, you just drop the numbers after the decimal point. Then 3 is less than 5, so we'll just drop the numbers after the decimal point. So the atomic mass will be 65. I mean, atomic mass is actually 65.39, but for our purpose to get the number of neutrons, we're going to just make it a whole number. Okay, number of protons, that is number of atomic number, so that is same as the atomic number 30. And number of electrons is same as the number of protons, so that is 30 again. And for neutrons, we have to subtract the atomic mass by atomic number. So it's going to be 35. So there are 35 neutrons in an atom of zinc. Okay. The next element is Li, and the atomic number is 3. I can remember what is number 3, so let me just go to the periodic table. Number 3, here we go. Number 3 is a lithium. Li is a lithium. So let's go to our worksheet and let me spell out the name of the atom. So that is, okay, let me see, it doesn't let me type it, so let me get another box. Lithium. Lithium. And atomic number, it is 3. That's a top number. And atomic mass is 6.941. And the number after the decimal point is greater than 5. So let me round it up to 7. I'm just rounding this up so that we can find the number of neutrons. The number of neutrons must be a whole number. I mean, when you're counting the number of neutrons, then you cannot just have a decimal. So we must have a whole number. So that's why I'm rounding the numbers. Number of protons, that is same as atomic number. So that is 3. The number of electrons, same as number of protons. So that is 3 also. Then number of neutrons, we got to do some math. Okay, so 7, which is atomic mass, subtract by atomic number. So that is 4. So we have 4 protons in this element. Okay, so I hope you got some idea how to do this, and allow yourself about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, and I want you to try the rest of the worksheet on your own before you can see the answer key. So use the periodic table. You can find the periodic table in your textbook, and or you can find it online. So pause the video, take about 5 to 7 minutes, finish the rest of it, and then come back to check your answers. Okay, so I believe that you've tried this on your own, and then here's the answer key. Okay, here we go. Okay, I hope you got some idea how to do it. If you have any questions, please text me anytime so that we can go over any of these questions. Okay, so I'll see you later.